Would you look at that? It looks to me like a spider nest. I mean, it's clogged. Ay. It's a cheap stuff. It's a $10 filter. It's so easy to replace. I don't get it. I really don't. Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today I have my Porsche Boxster 981. This is 2013 base, but it's gonna be same for the Cayman, same for the Boxster S. Today we're doing the air filter. If you missed the video for the engine filters, make sure to check it out. I'll post the link down below. But today we're gonna do the air filters for the AC system. And in this particular car we have 3 filters. What you need is something like that. You need 2 that's gonna go under the hood, and I'm gonna show you the part numbers right now as soon as I find it myself. 80005091. This is Micron Air. Then you're gonna need that guy E3940LC. This is gonna go under the dash. So since we're not gonna be doing this one yet, I'm gonna put it in a box and move it out of the way, and those 2 guys will be installed right now. Let's get to it. Both hands, pull it and take it out of the way. Easy. Am I missing something? I thought in my case I should have like two air boxes like this one and 2 filters, but turns out I open up the first time ever, and here you have it. Have only 1. And when you look down there, I have that old and tired filter inside, which, yeah, no one ever replaced. So good news, I don't need the second one, because obviously I don't have a second air box like this one. Our airflow is gonna go from here up. So we're gonna slide it down and twist it. I will show you right now. It kind of goes by itself. If you start from the very top, then you just grab it on the bottom and try to pull it. You will see it goes into place by itself. Slowly, gently get it there. Now it's seated and ready to go. All we need to do, just bring this cover back, and in order to release it or close it, you just release those plastic clips. So my allergy is killing me right now, and I guess it's gonna help. Nice. Now you have a nice and shiny filter here under the hood. Let's go to the glove box area and see where we have a bigger filter. You bring it over, get it aligned, slide it forward, put it here, and click. Gasket under the cover, and you're good to go. Let's go under the dash. Now I'm gonna show you what needs to be done. This is not gonna be as easy as the under the hood, but totally doable. So you get yourself on the seat, and I'm gonna place the camera on the floor so you got the better idea what am I doing. Let's say you have 3 screws that needs to be removed, and let's see, that looks to be a flat hat, so you can even remove it with your fingers, as you can tell. But me dealing with allergy, facing down right now is beautiful. Second out with a tiny screwdriver makes it so much easier. And the third one is going to be right next to the power outlet. If you didn't know, you have a power outlet here. Now you know. So 3 out, just grab that piece, take it out of the way, And next we're gonna look for that case right here, which should be easy to unclip, but it's not in the most easy location. Okay, all right, you just open up and here you have it. Somebody never replaced it. What are the odds that the cheapest Boxster that I will buy will have such a poor maintenance, right? There's always a reason, and you buy the most expensive one and it's gonna have the same issue. So do your own maintenance. All right, and I'm gonna take that filter. Let me go back to normal life. Okay, you see it's clogged, also spider web and all that fun stuff. So I've removed it, and my airflow was pointing to the driver's seat. This is for the reference, and that's the airflow arrow. So we're gonna install it the same way. This one would need to be kind of squished to fit it. And let's start with the corner closer to the seat, then align with the wall. And just get it clipped. It should be like 2 clicks. One is on the back, one on the center, so 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. After that, we just bring that foam piece, align it back, put it the front part inside. It has to go under that plastic. Okay, now it looks to be seated. So what I'm gonna do, just by hand, I'm gonna install one of those plastic screws, let's say on that far right corner. Then we're gonna do the far left, and then we're gonna do the center. So it's not hard, it's pretty easy to do. If you ever done any air filter in your life, for most of the cars you have to climb under the dash, and it's gonna be challenging if this is your very first air filter, but it's not hard to do at all. I was wrong, I thought I have 3 air filters, I have only 2. I don't know why, I just don't ask. Sometimes you feel you need more than you actually do. And with this allergy, facing down under the dash was something. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and we're gonna keep doing the maintenance, because I mean nobody did before me, and whoever bought the cheapest Boxster has to pay for it. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one.